We'll guide you through how to integrate Asana and Zapier so you can automate your tasks seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Zapier's website. You'll need to log in or create an account if you haven't already. Once you're in, click on the Create Zap button, which is usually at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to a new screen where you can start setting up your automation. On this screen, you'll see two sections: Trigger and Action. In the Trigger section, type Asana in the search bar and select it. You'll then need to choose a trigger event. For example, you might want to select New Task if you want Zapier to do something every time a new task is created in Asana. After selecting your trigger, connect your Asana account by clicking on the Sign In to Asana button and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Now that your Asana is connected, click Continue and Zapier will test the trigger to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once the trigger is working, you can move on to the Action section. Here, search for the application you want to connect Asana with. For instance, if you want to add a task to Google Calendar every time a new task is created in Asana, search for Google Calendar and select it. Then, pick an action event such as Create Detailed Event. You'll need to connect your Google account in the same way you connected Asana. After that, customize the action details by mapping Asana task fields to the Google Calendar event fields. This part is crucial as it determines how your data will be transferred. When you're done, click Continue and test this action. If everything works, you can finalize your Zap by clicking Turn on Zap. Congratulations, you've now integrated Asana with Zapier, allowing you to automate tasks and save time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.